In today's video, we'll explore the mechanism of respiration in human beings. It is said that the average person breathes in roughly 3 to 4 million liters of air per year. So what happens to all this air that we breathe in? It plays a crucial role in converting food into energy through respiration. Many people mistakenly think that breathing and respiration are same. However, these are two different processes. Breathing is simply the exchange of gases, that is taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Respiration, on the other hand, is a process where oxygen is used to convert food into energy. In short, breathing is a physical process while respiration is a biochemical one. Breathing itself does not produce energy, but respiration does. Our respiratory system consists of nasal cavity which filters air. The air then moves through pharynx, larynx, trachea, which divides into two bronchi. It's leading to a lung. In the lungs, the bronchus divides into smaller bronchioles, which end into alveolar sac. The exchange of gases takes place in these alveoli. Now let's see how respiration takes place in human body. It involves two steps. Inhalation, that is bringing in oxygen-rich air, and exhalation, that is releasing carbon dioxide-rich air. So during inhalation, the ribcage moves upward and outward, while diaphragm contracts and moves downward. This increases the volume of the thoracic cavity, reducing the pressure inside the lungs as compared to the external air pressure. As a result, air flows into the lungs and reach alveoli. In the alveoli, the oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the blood, while the carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses into the alveoli. During exhalation, the ribcage moves downward and inward. The diaphragm also relaxes back to its former shape, decreasing the volume of thoracic cavity and increasing the pressure inside the lungs. This forces the air out, and this completes a single breath. With every breath we take, our body takes in oxygen and turns it into energy, helping to keep us alive. Thanks for watching.